$10 billion in frozen funds is suddenly back on the table for 5 Democratic states after the health department made a stunning reversal, and the implications are huge. Just yesterday, officials were adamant that the money would be withheld, citing concerns over how it would be allocated, but apparently, some serious behind-the-scenes negotiating went down, and now the cash is flowing once more. This is a major win for the states in question, which had been counting on that money to fund vital healthcare programs, and it's also a big deal for the Biden administration, which has been under fire from Republicans for its handling of the funding. The decision is likely to be seen as a significant victory for Democratic lawmakers, who have been pushing hard to get the funds released, and it's also going to be a major relief for the millions of Americans who rely on those healthcare programs. But it's worth noting that the sudden reversal has also raised some eyebrows, with some critics accusing the administration of playing politics with people's lives. We'll be keeping a close eye on this story as it continues to unfold, but for now, it's a major breakthrough for those 5 states. Moving on to the world of finance, stocks took a hit today as oil prices surged on renewed tensions in the Hormuz Strait. The Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq all ended the day lower, with SK Hynix leading the charge in a chip stock sell-off. This is a big deal, because when oil prices go up, it can have a ripple effect throughout the entire economy, and the Hormuz tensions are just the latest in a long line of worries for investors. It's also worth noting that AI jitters are still weighing heavily on the Nasdaq, which has been struggling to regain its footing after a series of high-profile AI-related mishaps. The stock market can be a volatile beast, and today's losses are just the latest in a series of ups and downs. But what's really got investors spooked is the unpredictability of it all, with tensions in the Hormuz Strait, AI anxiety, and a host of other factors all playing into the mix. It's anyone's guess what's going to happen next. We'll be keeping a close eye on the markets as the week unfolds, and bringing you all the latest updates as more information becomes available. If you're looking for a distraction from all the market drama, you might want to check out what's new on Netflix. The streaming giant just dropped a bunch of fresh content, including the highly anticipated series The Hawk and the thrilling documentary Shipwrecked, Nightmare at Sea. There's something for everyone on the platform, from comedy to drama to documentary, and with so many new shows and movies to choose from, you're bound to find something that suits your taste. And finally, in some lighter news, beloved TV presenter Allison Hammond is making headlines for her defense of her 22-year relationship age gap with her boyfriend David Putman. Hammond has been facing some criticism for the significant difference in their ages, but she's not having it, and is speaking out against the haters. It's a brave move, and one that sparked a lively debate about age, love, and societal expectations. And in other celebrity news, H&M just launched a brand new clothing line, and it's getting a lot of buzz. We'll have to wait and see if it lives up to the hype. The fashion world is always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what's next. Tune in tomorrow when we'll be discussing the latest must-have trends and style secrets, and don't forget to follow us for all the latest updates on the stories that are trending now. And that's a wrap for today. Stay tuned for more, and we'll catch you on the flip side with the news that a major social media platform is about to roll out a game-changing new feature that will change the way you interact online forever.